Are raids like this legal, and what comes next? I'm Chase Beach, and I've been covering the raids since they began in Los Angeles. This is one question. So we are here in the Westlake MacArthur Park area at the Home Depot parking lot. This is a predominantly Latino neighborhood, and it's been central to the ongoing raids and immigration enforcement operations. Two have happened in this lot, and we are just a few blocks away from MacArthur Park, which is that way, and it's where federal agents had a show of force not too long ago. On August 6th, an ICE raid happened in this lot, and immediately after, the Department of Homeland Security released a highly edited video of the raid. So we reached out to Home Depot to ask if they had any comment on the raids happening in their parking lots, and they sent us this quote. "We aren't notified that these activities are going to happen, and we aren't involved in the operations. We're required to follow all federal and local rules and regulations in every market where we operate." It seems that one of the reasons why the Department of Homeland Security and ICE target these Home Depot lots is because it's one of the areas where day laborers wait for work. Now, in July, a federal district judge ruled that the roving patrols, as the judge called them, are not legal because the arrests are being made based on the color of people's skin, the language that they speak, and the places where they work, like Home Depot parking lots. She says that's not probable cause. When that ruling came down from the federal district judge, local leaders celebrated it as a win. Governor Newsom actually said, "Justice prevailed today." Throughout all of this, the Justice Department has maintained that what they're doing is completely legal. Take a listen to what U.S. State Attorney Bill Asaley had to say to my colleague, Kate Cagle.
They have evidence and information in addition to the factors listed in the court order that give them more than sufficient reasonable suspicion that those individuals were in the country unlawfully.
The Trump administration has now appealed this case to the Supreme Court. They say that the blocks prevent them from doing the immigration work that they believe is necessary to do here in California and in places like this Home Depot parking lot. We could hear from the Supreme Court on this case over the next few days. For now, the question of whether or not what we continue to see here in Los Angeles is legal really depends on who you ask. Follow us for more information as this story continues to develop.